Hey guys, Jamie here, and I'm going to show you another Maya quick tip. This one is for duplicating things as fast as possible. So I'll just get right into it. Say we have something like this. I've already done this side, and I duplicated all these, and we're going to do that to the other side really quick. So we have our first piece here. So you want your base geometry, and then you want to hit Shift D, and that's it's because I moved it over there, or I did a big move last time. So the tool is based off of the last amount of space you've moved the object. So if I hit Shift D here, it's going to bring it up here. I'm going to bring it up here. If I hit Shift D again, it's going to keep retaining that space, and I can just keep tapping this. And yeah, that's pretty much it. You can do it with any angle. I could do the next one here, and then it'll just keep going. But yeah, that's all I wanted to show. Thanks for watching.